In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reconnect your TikTok account to Buffer. If your TikTok posts in Buffer are failing or your channel shows as disconnected, a quick refresh of the connection usually fixes it. I'll walk you through the exact steps, explain what you'll see along the way, and share a few tips so everything goes smoothly. First, open Buffer. You can do this on the web or in the app. Use whichever you normally use. Give it a moment to load and make sure you're in the correct workspace if you manage more than one brand. A stable internet connection helps this go faster. Next, go to Settings. On desktop, look for the gear icon or the settings link in the sidebar. This is where you control account preferences and connected channels. From there, click Channels. This page lists all the social accounts linked to your Buffer workspace. It's the hub for reconnecting or updating any social channel. Now, find your TikTok account. Look for the TikTok icon alongside your handle. If you have several channels connected, scroll until you locate the correct TikTok profile you want to fix. Once you've found it, click the three dots menu next to that TikTok channel. This menu opens quick actions related to the account. It's a small button, usually on the far right of the channel row. Choose Refresh Connection. This tells Buffer to reestablish a secure link to your TikTok account. In many cases, that's all you need. If prompted, re-log into TikTok. You may be redirected to a TikTok login screen. Sign in to the same TikTok profile that's connected to Buffer. Keep your details secure and be sure you're selecting the correct account if you manage multiple profiles. Next, reauthorize Buffer permissions. TikTok will show a permissions screen asking you to allow Buffer to access your account for tasks like scheduling and publishing. Review the permissions and confirm. Granting these is necessary for Buffer to post on your behalf. Finally, wait for the connection to refresh. You might see a spinner or a brief confirmation message. Don't close the tab or navigate away until it finishes. This typically takes just a few seconds. That's it. Your TikTok account should now reconnect properly to Buffer, and posting features should work again. You should no longer see disconnect warnings, and your scheduled content can proceed as planned. If you manage multiple channels, repeat these same steps for any other TikTok profiles that need a refresh. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you get back to effortless scheduling with Buffer.